This video is for missing sides in similar triangles. So your steps to finding your missing side lengths is to highlight corresponding sides in the same color. So how you match these sides up is you look for the angles. So when you see these little loops like this, that means these two angles are the same, they're congruent. So you can kind of match up that way. So this side here and this side here are the same. And then this side here and this side here are going to be the same. So step 2 is to set up a proportion matching the colors. And so we do tic-tac-toe for proportions. And I always label the triangles. So this is my small triangle. This is my big. So I'm going to compare a small triangle to a big triangle. And then I'm going to compare my blue sides to my green sides. So my small triangle, the blue side is 4. The green side is 9. In my big triangle, the blue side is 6, and the green side is x. So here you would cross multiply, so 9 times 6, and then you would divide by 4. And so here, x would equal 13.5. So some more examples here. So DEF and ABC are similar. So to match these up, you can kind of tell that these two angles are going to be your congruent angles. And so the 30 and the 24 are going to be corresponding sides. And then the 25 and then this missing side, we'll call it X, are going to be corresponding. So here's my big, here's my small. So small triangle, big triangle, blue side, green side. So in my small triangle, the blue side's 24, the green side is X. In my big triangle, the blue side is 30 and 25. So we cross multiply and divide, and here you would get X equals 20. Now on triangles like this, they're a little bit different. You still have a big and a little. So my big triangle is here. And then my little triangle is here. So you got to be really careful when you match up these sides. So the 3 and the X would go together. And the mistake we see, the 4, and then you automatically want to use the 6. But if you look at where that purple line is, that purple line goes from here all the way to here. So I'd have to add the 6 and the 4, and that would give me a 10. So 10 is my other green side. So again, this would be my little, and then the whole thing would be my big. And I've got blue sides and green sides again. So in my big triangle, the blue side is X. The green side is 10. In my small triangle, the blue side is 3, and the green side is X. Cross multiply, and then divide, and X here is going to equal 7.5. All right, so here's another example just like it. So again, this time they've got it labeled for you though. So my blue sides, my matching or my proportional sides would be the 4 and the 9, and then the X and the 12. So it's nice when they label it for you, but majority of the time they are not going to do that. All right, so big triangle, small triangle, blue side, green side. So big triangle, blue side is 9, green side is 12. Small triangle, blue side is 4, small side is X. So we cross multiply and divide, and X is going to be 9.3 repeating, or you can write that as the mixed number 9 1/3. All right, DEF is similar to triangle ABC. So the other way that you can do this is match up letters. So you can see that this 24 here goes from D to E, D to E, which means the corresponding side on the other triangle is going to be from A to B. Okay, so that means the 24 and the 18. And then the other side that we have labeled is D to F, so D to F is going to correspond to A to C. So how you say it makes a difference. So the 15 is going to go with A to C, which is going to be my X. So really check how they write these. So big, small, blue side, green side. So big triangle, blue side is 15, green side is 24. Small triangle, blue side is X, green side is 18. Cross multiply and divide. So X is going to give me 11.25. All right, and our last two examples on this one. So X and 4 are corresponding, and then 15 and 5. So my tic-tac-toe is going to be kind of small down here. Big triangle, small triangle, blue side, green side. All right, big triangle blue side is X, big triangle green side is 15, small triangle blue is 4, small triangle green is 5. Cross multiply and divide, and you get X equals 12. All right, and then here we've got 6 and X, 4 and 3, big triangle, small triangle, blue side, green side. So big blue is 6, big green is 4, small blue is X, and small green is 3. Cross multiply and divide, and you get X equals 4.5. And then finally, just a way to remember this. So in similar triangles, the sides are proportional. And if all corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar. If your triangles are similar, then all the angles are congruent, which means they measure the exact same thing. So if corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. So if all your angles measure the same, then you're dealing with similar triangles. So that's it for this video.